question, what is Solvay, is a good question. So Solvay is headquartered in Brussels, Belgium, and we're an advanced material and specialty chemicals company. Our company was founded by Ernest Solvay in 1863. So you can imagine that there have been a lot of changes, but we accelerated that a few years ago because we wanted to be a company that is more global, more focused towards its customers and more innovative. So we've been as well starting a digital transformation journey.
This transformation is opening up many new business opportunities that are supporting our aggressive growth plan, and digital is for sure a key success factor.
So we decided to work with Sprinklr because we were really at the moment when we wanted to understand how we could have the best setup to handle all our external channels. We're a B2B industrial pragmatic company. So we really started thinking about what are the needs of our client and how do we ensure Sprinklr can meet those needs. So we moved really on a step-by-step approach to ensure the right teams were empowered to move forward.
Sprinklr is helping us managing our business complexity, and it also helps us keeping aligned with the group and the other business unit.
We are breaking silos. We are really allowing everyone to connect, to exchange. We are giving feedbacks, we are discussing, and we know what's going on directly through the platform.
Sprinklr helps us to reach and listen to these new audiences that are not part of our traditional customers, but that play a crucial role in driving adoption of 3D printing with high-performance materials.
Every company now has more and more exposure externally, and crisis is a reality that we have to face. We are going through a road to be more and more transparent and really explaining to audiences what's going on. And this is why having the capacity of Sprinklr is really key, so that we know exactly what we need to communicate and how.
Sprinklr today is a fundamental tool. It's actually a way for us to get closer and closer to our customers by taking care of the B2B side of communication. What we are most interested in is meeting the market needs, and this way, by listening directly to what customer wants, we can meet this demand.
To us, Sprinklr is really a game changer. It offers us a capacity to have a unified command center and to know exactly what's happening worldwide, because we have 1/3 of our business is based in the US, 1/3 in Europe, 1/3 in China, and we need to have this global 24 hours, 7 days per week capacity to understand what's going on.